Ready to supercharge your real estate team's productivity and dominate your market? Let's dive into how to add another agent to your Kvcore account. Unlocking seamless collaboration. First, logged into your Kvcore account, make sure you have admin access to do this. Look to the left-hand side of your screen and find the Team and Users section. In the sidebar menu, it's usually near the bottom. Click on it. Now, you should see a new page. Locate the Add Agent button, which is usually in the upper right-hand corner. Click on that. A form will appear, asking for the new agent's information. Fill in all the required fields, including their first name, last name, and, most importantly, their email address. This is how they'll access their account. Next, you'll need to assign a role to the new agent. Use the role drop-down menu to select the appropriate level of access, such as agent for standard access, or admin if they need broader control. Scroll down to the agent permissions section. Here, you can customize exactly what the agent can access and do within Kvcore. Toggle on or off the permissions based on their responsibilities. Once you've filled in all the information and set the permissions, scroll to the bottom of the form and click the Save button. The new agent should now appear in your Team and Users list. Kvcore will automatically send them an email with instructions on how to set up their password and log in. And that's it. You've successfully added a new agent to your Kvcore account, paving the way for enhanced teamwork and increased success. Be sure to explore other Kvcore features to maximize your team's potential. #CoreTeam #collaboration